There once was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was a lively lady. The winds blew up about and down. Oh, blow, my bully boys, blow. Good morning. It is Wednesday the 6th of March, and today we are leaving Lyttelton finally after about 4 nights here, I think, to go to Port Chalmers, and it's a distance of about 190 nautical miles, which is probably the second longest leg we've done so far. Weather's looking okay, 6 metre swell out there at the moment, but that's easing. Everything's looking pretty good actually, except it might be a bit rough going around Banks Peninsula. So yeah, 7 o'clock, we're leaving at 8, just having the breakfast.
And a little bit disappointed that we didn't get into Akaroa, but that's just the way the cookie crumbles.
Yeah.
It's been great being in Lyttelton all this time. Lovely little place.
Cool. Well, coming around the Banks Peninsula this morning. Apparently it's supposed to be up to 6 metres, but it's easing today. So hopefully the further south we go, the nicer it'll be. This is what underway food looks like. Yummy.
Lord lively lady, we're heading towards the 1,000 miles. Tower on the march, 999.9.
Show where we are too.
And coming round the north-east of Banks Peninsula, and it should roll over to 1,000 miles any second now.
Here it goes.
There we are.
0 miles, 1,000 miles. Woohoo! Hey! Champagne corks popping.
Holiday buzzing. Lumpy and uncomfortable day, but it's calmed down quite a bit. We had about a 5 metre swell at one point, or maybe 4 metre swell at one point, and chop, and it was really yuck. But we're making good time towards Dunedin now.
The weather is doing exactly what it said it did, which it was going to do, which is fantastic. So we've got a little bit of breeze building behind us now, so hoping to get the sails up shortly, and then I'm going to go and have a sleep.
Yeah, it's been motoring most of the day except for a couple of hours this morning, so yeah, bare poles.
Right, we'll start by doing this morning's roundup. We're almost due east of Oamaru here. We've shut the motor off now. We've finally got some decent breeze. As much as we love the Ford engine, it's quite nice to not hear it for a change. Hamish is on the helm. How you doing, Hamish?
I'm alright, not enough sleep. But it's a beautiful morning, and lots of birds and seals around.
You can tell how tired Hamish was when he pointed to 2 seals in the ocean and goes, "Look at the lizards." And here's the skipper. How's Skipper this morning?
Good morning. I was woken by somebody at 6 o'clock to go and watch from 6 till 8, and I was able to witness the most beautiful sunrise. Lovely red sky. So hopefully it's not forcing into bad weather.
We're heading towards the entrance to Otago Harbour. We hope to be there at about 5 or 6 p.m, maybe even a bit earlier if we can keep this good sailing going. Elodie was going to appear on the video, but we appear to have lost her in the boat, not out the boat. Let's be clear on that.